In this video, I'll show you how to free up storage space when your MacBook is full. First, click the Apple logo in the top left corner of your screen, then select System Settings. From the left-hand menu, click General, and then select Storage. Your Mac will now analyze the drive and display how much storage is being used and how much space is still available. You'll also see a breakdown of the different categories taking up space, including Applications, Documents, Downloads, macOS, System Data, and Trash. The amount of storage used by each category will be different on every Mac, so start by identifying the categories using the most space. One of the easiest places to begin is Applications. Click the information icon next to Applications to see a list of the apps installed on your Mac. You can usually sort this list by size to quickly identify the largest applications. Review the list and select any apps you no longer use. Then click Delete and follow the instructions on the screen. You may be asked to enter your Mac password or use Touch ID to confirm the removal. Before deleting an app, make sure you no longer need it, and that any important files connected to it have been saved. You can also manage your applications through Finder. Open Finder, select Applications from the sidebar, and review the apps installed on your Mac. The next category to check is Downloads. Your Downloads folder can quickly fill up with installers, videos, documents, zip files, and other items you may no longer need. You can review these files directly from the storage settings or open Finder and select Downloads from the sidebar. Sort the folder by file size to make the largest items easier to find. Delete anything you no longer need, but check the files carefully before removing them. After deleting applications and files, remember that they are normally moved to the trash and may still be using storage space. To permanently remove them, open the trash from the dock. Review the contents one final time, then click Empty, and confirm that you want to empty the trash. You can also enable the option to automatically remove items from the trash after 30 days. However, this only works when the setting has been turned on. You may also see a category called Other Users and Shared. This category contains files created by other user accounts on the Mac. If multiple people use the computer, each account may be using part of the available storage. Sign in to the other accounts and remove unnecessary files, or delete unused user accounts only after confirming that their data is no longer needed. You'll also notice that macOS and System Data can use a significant amount of space. The macOS category contains essential operating system files and should not be deleted manually. System data may include caches, logs, temporary files, local backups, and other system-related content. Avoid deleting unknown files from the system folders, as this could cause problems with your Mac. Another way to free up storage without permanently deleting your files is to move large photos, videos, projects, and documents to an external drive or cloud storage. This is especially useful for files you want to keep, but do not need to access every day. Once you've finished, return to the storage page and allow your Mac a few moments to update the storage information. You should now see more available space on your drive. And that's how you can fix a full Mac storage drive by removing unused applications, clearing downloads, emptying the trash, and moving large files somewhere else. If you found this tutorial helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.